Hey tech lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a smartphone that proves you don't need to break the bank to get a device with impressive performance, the Vgotel Note 24. Priced under $300, this phone packs a punch in the budget category. Whether you're a student, a first-time smartphone user, or someone who just wants great features without the hefty price tag, this phone could be a game changer for you. Let's see what the Vgotel Note 24 has to offer. Kicking off our review, let's talk about the build and design of the Vgotel Note 24. For a budget phone, this device looks and feels premium, with a slim body and a sleek matte finish on the back. It has an impressive in-hand feel. It's available in two colors, midnight black and sky blue, giving you a modern look without the flashy price dot. The fingerprint scanner is conveniently placed on the side for easy access, and the phone feels light yet sturdy. So, if you're someone who appreciates a good-looking phone, the Vgotel Note 24 will definitely catch your eye. The display, which is impressive for this price point, you're getting a 6.5-inch HDI-IPS display with a resolution that's sharp enough for most daily tasks. Watching videos, scrolling through social media, or browsing the web all look fantastic here. The colors are vibrant. And although it's not full HD, it still offers a satisfying viewing experience. Plus, with its 90Hz refresh rate, the Vgotel Note 24 feels smoother than many phones in this range. It's the kind of display that makes everyday tasks more enjoyable and easy on the eyes. Now let's talk about performance. Ranking at number 3. The Vgotel Note 24 is powered by an octa-core processor, which is quite solid for a budget device. With 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, this phone can handle day-to-day multitasking with ease. Apps open quickly, browsing is smooth, and the overall experience feels fluid for a device in this price range. Out of the box, the phone runs on a near stock version of Android, which means you get a clean interface with minimal bloatware. This keeps it running snappy and efficient, even with heavy usage. Now for the highlight of the Vgotel Note 24, the camera, which comes in as our top feature at number 1. This device has a dual camera setup with a 48MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. For a budget phone, the camera quality is quite remarkable. In daylight, the images are crisp and vibrant, capturing excellent detail and colors that make your photos pop. The front camera is 13MP, perfect for selfies and video calls, with decent AI enhancements to make sure your shots come out looking their best. It also has portrait mode and AI scene detection, which adds a touch of versatility for different shooting conditions. For someone on a budget, this camera is definitely a standout feature and a big selling point of the Vgotel Note 24. Now we have battery life, an area where Vgotel really delivered. The Note 24 has a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts through a day of heavy usage. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or navigating with GPS, this phone can keep up without requiring frequent recharges. And with its 18W fast charging support, you won't be tied to the wall socket for long. This is perfect for students or professionals who are always on the move and need a phone that lasts. So is the Vgotel Note 24 worth it? If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed phone under $300, the answer is a resounding yes. With a solid design, smooth performance, all-day battery life, and an impressive camera setup, this phone offers amazing value without compromising on quality. The Vgotel Note 24 reminds us that you don't need a high price tag to get a great experience. For anyone who's ready to step into the world of smartphones or needs a trustworthy upgrade, this phone is here to make good technology accessible for everyone. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more budget-friendly tech reviews. Let me know in the comments what feature of the Vgotel Note 24 caught your eye. Until next time, keep tech simple and affordable just the way it should be.